Let's use the distance formula right here that we just developed in the last video to find the distance between these 2 points. So I'm just going to identify these. This will be maybe x1. That's the first x I see. As I look left to right, this is the first x I see, and this will be x2. This is the second x value I see. This right here, that 3, that's going to be y1. Right, that y1 is the first y I see, that's going to be 3. And the next y, the second y, is going to be that -4. So this will be y2. And now this is just a matter of substituting in here. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to put in, well, let's just do it here. Let's get d is equal to the square root of, now this says second x minus first x. Here's the second x minus the first x. Let's just be mindful of these negatives. So it's going to be the second x, which is 1, minus the first x, which is -6. Let's just be sure we can see it here. The second x, which is 1, minus the first x, which is -6. So that's what I wrote, 1 minus -6. And that quantity gets squared. And then plus, all right, now this one goes, the second y right here, -4, minus the first y, which is 3. So let's write those. The second y, which is -4, minus the first y, which is 3, and we'll square that. Let's just be sure we've got that one. -4 minus 3. So where are they coming from? The -4 is the y2. That's our second y, the second y that we see. As we read left to right, the second y I see is y2, which is -4. And the first y I see, minus y1, which is 3. Now, just to note, if I was reading right to left, I could do the second y minus the first y would be 3 minus -4, but I square it, so it comes out the same number. So let's compute here. We're going to get d is equal to the square root of 1 plus 6 squared, plus, this will be a -7 squared. D is equal to the square root, and I'm just going to do this. 1 and 6 is 7. 7 squared, 49. Plus, now, -7 squared is also 49. 49. This will give us d is equal to the square root of 98. Now, I know how to break this down. What I can do is this. I can write this. You see that 49 here? That 98? That was 2 of these 49s. And 49, I know the square root of that. So why don't we write this as d is equal to the square root of 49 times 2. D is equal to the square root of 49, square root of 2. So d is equal to 7 square roots of 2.